Good morning, it's Friday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 56. We got artificial intelligence, Lego drama, dorm room hardware money, and Microsoft adjacent security weirdness all bumping into each other on Hacker News today like a Best Buy checkout line where every cable costs $40 and nobody knows why. First up, Anthropic rolled out Claude Opus 4.8, and the nerds are treating it like a new forklift arrived at the brain factory. The CocoIndex topic ranker liked this one because it matched the Claude Opus signal, and Hacker News gave it a giant pile of points. So, yeah, this is the big AI model story of the day. My question is, if the model is that smart, can it explain why my printer only works after I threaten it verbally? Second, there is a story claiming Bricks and Minifigs stole a man's $200,000 Lego collection, which is the kind of sentence that starts cute and ends with a lawyer wearing tiny plastic handcuffs. It is not an AI story, but it scored huge and was not recently covered, so it made the cut. Hey! Shh, okay, that's something. Also, if you have 200 grand in Lego, at some point your hobby becomes a load-bearing financial institution. Third, somebody made $1 million product from a dorm room, and I love that, because most dorm room products are just microwave ramen innovations and a chair nobody should sit in. This one is about a hardware business, which is a nice reminder that startups do not always need to be 7 chatbots in a trench coat. Sometimes you build a real thing, people want it, and then suddenly your laundry basket is a supply chain dashboard. And finally, GitHub banned a security researcher who posted zero-day Windows exploits, and everybody is mad in that very special way only security people and Microsoft customers can be mad. The ranking picked it because it was high-scoring, fresh, and not recently covered, even without a direct trending topic match. The hard part is always the same. Researchers say disclosure, vendors say danger, and regular users say please. I just wanted Windows Update to stop asking me to restart during dinner. That's what Dad here. It's what Dad is Dad here. It's right. It's Mets time.